came out to run at Okpara Square. At first the kids didn't really want to run. They didn't know what they had signed up for. But once we started picking up speed, they had no choice. They even blocked the roads for us. See crowd, see fun. We went far without even knowing how far we went. Until we stopped for a very well-deserved break. The kids were tired, so we decided to take the keke back and go and rest. At least if they ever hear about Saturday running at Okpara Square, they know what it is all about. And we have got some exercise in today. So if you ever make it to Okpara Square on a Saturday, make sure to bring your running shoes.